So hello guys, I'll show you how to download iOS 13 beta 2 profile without a computer using OTA profile. So first you go to open Safari browser, then open this site apps4iphone.net, then click install now, and another click install on your device. Then now allow and install, enter your password, then install, then done. Now go back to home, then open for iPhone, and now click on apps and go to down. This is this update iPhone. Now click iOS 13. Now get allow, show you iOS 13 and iPadOS 13 beta software. So now install which device you use, then now install again. Now it says restart your iPad, iPhone. So guys, now my iPad is restart. I'm going to settings and software update. Now showing you iPadOS 13 developer beta 2. So it takes some time to download the OS. Now this is downloading. It is downloading software and it is not showing how much GB it is. It is a simple process, not take any long process. It is easy, it is simple, so you can try it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.